Hi, I'm a community advocate with Asylum Access Malaysia. Let me bring you on a journey in a day of my life. I wake up around 7:30 in the morning, I make a cup of coffee and eat my breakfast. I then feed my cats and get ready to go to work. Currently, I go to the office only once or twice a week due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Most of the other days, I work from home. When I go to work, I use public transport as it is cheap and accessible in almost all locations in Kuala Lumpur. It takes me about 1 hour to reach the office. My work as a community advocate mainly involves direct interactions and communications with clients. For example, I assist clients to fill up the service request form, and I then pass it on to the relevant team, or I refer them to another organization for other types of services such as medical support, shelter, mental health, food, and others. Besides meeting clients, I also actively conduct workshops for the community. These workshops talk about the options and resources that are available to refugees and asylum seekers in Malaysia. It covers several topics such as access to healthcare services, COVID-19 and vaccination, mental health, arrest, detention and court procedures, education, sexual and gender-based violence, employment dispute, advocacy, and legal empowerment. Other than workshops, I am also involved in advocacy. During World Refugee Day this year, my colleagues and I worked on a WRD's video series showcasing 6 inspiring community members who are doing remarkable work in their communities, as well as highlighting some of the home businesses that they do. AM have also recently established a refugee youth network aiming to provide support specifically to the youth in the community. We currently have 8 committee members who are also refugee youth between the age of 18 to 30 years old, and we are now in the data collection and needs assessment stage. We will officially start our programs in January 2022. I would leave the office around 5 p.m. and take the train back home. When I work from home, I actively receive calls from clients asking about their files, inquiring about AM services, and seeking legal advice, where I usually refer it to our legal services team. I would then update our reps and clients' information. The CO team have also created 6 Telegram channels in different languages aiming to provide important announcements, resources, and other helpful information for the community. Currently, we have channels in English, Persian, Somali, Arabic, Burmese, and Urdu. My day ends with me feeding my fish and cooking dinner. I also enjoy watching the sunset with my cat. Thank you for joining me on this little journey, and thank you for supporting our work at Asylum Access Malaysia to ensure that every refugee has access to justice and human rights. Stay safe and stay blessed.